Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes to a contact in Pipedrive. Let's get started. First, head over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Contacts. This takes you to your full contacts list where all the people in your database are stored. If you have a long list, you can scroll through it or use the search bar to quickly find the contact you need. Next, click on the specific contact you want to add a note to. This opens their details page, which acts as the central hub for everything related to that person, like their organization, deals, activities, and communication history. Take a quick moment to make sure you're on the correct profile, so your note is saved in the right place. Once you're on the Contacts Details page, look for the Input area and switch to the Notes tab. Selecting the Notes tab ensures what you enter is saved as a note and not as an email or activity. If you don't see it immediately, check along the top tabs or within the main content section until you find it. Now you're ready to write your note. Type your information into the field, keeping it clear and useful. You can summarize conversations, key decisions, or important follow-ups. Including dates, outcomes, or next steps can make your notes easier to review later. Just remember to keep the content professional and avoid adding sensitive information. Once you've written your note, click Save. This step is important to make sure your note is properly recorded. Once saved, your note will appear in the History section of the contact's profile. This section acts as a timeline, showing all past notes and interactions, making it easy to review information before calls or meetings, and helping your team stay aligned. And that's it. You've successfully added a note to a contact in Pipedrive. To quickly recap, go to Contacts, open the contact profile, select the Notes tab, enter your note, and click Save. Simple, fast, and organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.